Good morning, soulmates! It's me once again, your soulmate charm. And for today's video, I'm going to share to you how to process a visit visa here in Denmark or to Denmark. But before I go any further, shout out to all my subscribers in the world, in the Philippines, in Denmark, and all over the world. Thank you so much for supporting and watching my videos. And for those who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I would appreciate it. And I love you all. So also I have a guest for today, my daily companion in the house, especially during cold days that I cannot go out. I just stay at home. Let's all welcome Mr. Pooh. Say hi. All right. So, without further ado, visit visa. What is a visit visa? A visit visa, guys, is a type of short-term visa, like tourist visa, where someone is inviting you from that country. In my case, I applied it last February of 2022, and the one who invited me was my husband. So it is less complicated than a tourist visa, guys, because it's already like the Danish Ministry or Immigration, whatever you call it, they're already more confident that someone will take care of you in that particular country. I'm not sure if it's the same process to other Schengen countries like Germany, Norway, or whatnot, but I'm just basing it on my experience here in Denmark. So here you go. Alright, so this is screenshots on how you can process visit visa to Denmark. So you just need to go to nyidenmark.dk. You can search that in Google. You can check for notifications, guys, if there's any reason why your application will be delayed. But for the purpose of this video, let's just skip that. So there's option there there's information on how to apply. So there. Since this is a visit visa, you need to get the invitation ID from your host, either your family, relatives, friends, boyfriend, or whatnot, once they're finished with the online application. So there. You need to prepare your requirements. So again, the invitation ID from your host in Denmark. Travel insurance, Schengen, travel insurance covering minimum of 30,000 euro. In my case, I purchased that through AXA. Just put down the comment down below if you need separate video for that or if you need further information about that. Passport should be at least 6 months valid on the time of application. Passport photo or visa photo, you can have that taken any picture shop or whatnot, or you can have that through VFS. They have that as well. They can take your photo for like 200-ish. Any documentation, additional documentation, in my case, based on my experience, it was my boyfriend before, my husband now, who invited me. So proof of relationship, pictures together, and online conversation, hard copy. I had that. Also your itinerary, your round trip ticket. Also they asked for a passport copy of my boyfriend and also CENOMAR of my boyfriend. Don't know why. I also submitted my CENOMAR, by the way. CENOMAR is a document that proof you're single, guys. Proof of singleness whatsoever. Also, I submitted, since I'm employed that time, if you're employed at time of application, you need to submit employment documents, certificate of employment, payslips, leave letter from your company, approved leave letter. Also, I submitted my bank statements just for like additional documents. Pretty much that's it, guys. Cover letter, I just had that from VFS. They provided that to me. So there. So once you have all the necessary requirements already, you can now process the online application. So I just need to go to applyvisa.um.dk. There's steps there on how to apply. So register, fill in the application, pay the amount, and print and sign the cover letter, supply biometrics. This number 5, guys, is already in VFS when you are already there on your time of or schedule of your appointment. So register, just need to go to this. There's apply for visa there. Just click on that and then read. And then I consent, then next. Fill out the information needed for you to create your login, username, and password. So once you click on create user, guys, for this video, I'll just not fill it out because I already have an account with VFS. So after this, you will receive an email. Whatever email you supply here, you'll receive an email there regarding next step, your login information. So once you have your login information, just need to click login, go back to this page, sign in. Once sign in, you can start your online application. So along the way, you will be routed to process the payment, which is 598 Danish kroner. So this is updated, guys. This is on top of the visa processing fee as well that will be collected by VFS on the time of your appointment. So once done, next part is the end of the registration and application, and you can print and sign your cover letter from there, or in case you miss it, you can also go back to this website under my applications, or if not, you can also ask it from VFS. They have that. So once you have the confirmation letter, you receive the confirmation email, you can now, there's a link there to book your appointment for VFS. So on the time of appointment, there you need to supply biometrics, your fingerprints, and submit your documents or requirements. Also, you need to pay the processing fee. During my time, paid around 2,000 pesos. So that's it, guys. Waiting time or timeline is minimum of 2 weeks and maximum of 1 month. So good luck to those who are currently on the process of application or waiting for an answer or result. You can do this. Alright, so that's it, guys. Hope you've learned something for today. And if you have further questions, queries, or information that you would like to ask me, please feel free to write in the comment below, and I'll be happy to answer each and everyone's questions. So that's it for today, guys, and again, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and hoping to see you more on my incoming videos. And please also comment what videos would you like me to do moving forward. Farewell!